Hi everyone, my name is Emily Barnes and I'm going to be showing my Rube Goldberg project show and tell portion, how everything is going to work. So first I'll give you a quick overview of everything that's going on. That's our overview. So we start here. This is going to be step 1. And so you can see the cue ball just sitting here. I'm going to take this cue stick and hit the cue ball. That is going to be our initial step, and that is going to get everything started. I'm going to be transferring kinetic energy from myself to the cue stick to the cue ball. So really a lot of stuff going on in step 1, but that's going to be the initial step. Cue stick hitting the cue ball, transferring kinetic energy into it. Then we're going to transfer that kinetic energy into the books when the cue ball shoots off of here and hits this first book. And that is going to cause a domino effect, causing momentum to pass through each book in the domino setup. Then we're going to have this final book here fall onto this open pair of scissors that is at probably, I don't know what degree angle, but it's at an angle so that the book hits it pretty directly. And so the book is going to fall on the scissors, potential energy turning into kinetic energy, which applies the force onto the scissors, then onto the string that is precariously placed in there, which will be then cut as soon as these fall. So there's something connected to the end of the string. And we have the 8-ball connected to the end of the string. This is going to be our step 4. The 8-ball is going to fall, and it is being pulled down by gravity, and it's getting kinetic energy and momentum as it falls down. And step 5 is whenever the 8-ball hits this end of the meter stick, which is in a seesaw. And so its kinetic energy is transferred onto this end of the meter stick, causing an upward motion on the other end, which is now sitting on the ground at rest. And so once this end shoots up, it will hit the bottom of this cradle holding the 9-ball, and it has torque, which causes it to lift the cradle slightly, and it's the potential energy of the 9-ball is then released from the torque. Then gravity is going to and it's now released kinetic energy is going to pull the 9-ball down the cue stick ramp, and it's going to roll and build momentum as it rolls down. Then it's going to meet the mouse, the wireless mouse that is connected to my computer, and it's going to click this right button right there. Once it hits the right button, I will have my computer on, and I will have the mouse hovering over the camera, like the take photo button. And so it's going to be hovering over that. I'm not going to be touching my mouse pad in the picture. I'm actually going to have both hands on my cue stick so that you can tell that I'm not touching the mouse pad at all. And I don't have a timer set. I'm going to have this on and the wireless mouse on. And as soon as the 9-ball hits, it will take a picture. So yeah, there's my project.